going. We are in Menards in Toledo, Ohio. Check this out. We have a ThyssenKrupp. First Menards elevator ever. This looks like an older Menards. It's a ThyssenKrupp. This is my first elevator ever at a Menards. Oh wow, this is big. Go down to 1. This thing's abnormally wide, jeez. ThyssenKrupp elevator. Here, put 2. 1, go to 2. Close the door. Here we go. This thing is huge. Mad BS Moon, hands-free 88 code confined phone. LED, PI, firefighters operation, fire light, ThyssenKrupp elevator, emergency light, and your. Watch this. This thing's big. There it goes, and